Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest techs and gadgets. Today we are taking a look at this GOVEE Immersion RGBIC LED TV backlight system. If you like to enhance your home entertainment with colorful ambience light experience, then this Immersion TV backlight is worth trying. It comes with the color sense camera which helps to absorb the colors from your TV and replicate with the backlight system, allow you the experience like you are in the scene. Also, this is fully integrated with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for smart voice control. So if you fancy getting one, please check the link in the description down below, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, GOVEE always provide their products in colorful retail packaging. You can see the product details and some key features are printed on the box. Let's take a quick look at what you get inside. On the top, you get this Immersion LED live strip, a user manual with some instructions on how to install the backlight, a power adapter, a control box, holding clips and alcohol wipes to clean before the installation, foam stickers for calibration, and last, this camera. In terms of the specification, the light strip is suitable for 55 to 65 inches flat screen TVs, and it is about 2.3 feet left and right and 3.9 feet top and bottom in size. However, it is not optimized to work with curved TVs. It has RGBIC lighting which is capable of displaying multiple colors on one strip of light simultaneously. RGB on the other hand can only display one color at a time. Moving on, this is a water resistant light strip, but I really do not want to try and test that on this video. The working voltage is 12 watt DC and the power output is 12 watt 2 amp. You get a Type-C cable attached to power up the strip. Back of the light strip, it has 3M adhesive for installation. When it comes to the color sense camera, it is 1080p resolution and has 3M adhesive attached for mounting purpose. This small control box works as a hub. It has Type-C charging in for connecting the light strip and a USB-A port to connect the camera. Moving on, you get 3 push buttons which allow you to power on off, color change or activate the music mode. And last, small microphone next to the brightness symbol that helps to work with the music mode. So you can still control the light strip using both Smart App or using this control box. Installation is so simple, and all you have to do is stick the light strip after carefully clean the surface. Then connect the power cable, light strip and this camera to the control box. You can place the camera either on the top or bottom of the TV, but I prefer to keep it on the top. Then download the GOVEE Smart App which is available on both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Then follow the on-screen instruction for pairing process. Moving on to the camera calibration, just simply follow exactly what is on the screen. Using these 7 orange foam stickers, camera can identify the TV screen and able to mimic the colors as it is. Let's find out what you can do with the app. Well, like all other GOVEE Smart Light products, you can fully customize the colors you want to display, controlling the brightness. With the Effect Lab option, you can try and apply a lot of different colors under different categories. Frankly, you get a chance to play with so many different color combinations. Moving on, if you wish to use this light strip as a timer or sleep wake up light for any reason, yes, still you can use this feature like all other GOVEE products I have tested previously. Next, you get 5 different modes available to use with the Smart App. First one is the music mode. When you choose this mode, light strip will change the colors according to the sound rhythm. Furthermore, you get 4 different modes available to try under this feature. Next option is video mode. This is the best part of having this TV backlight. So basically, like I mentioned earlier, thanks to the color sense camera, you can enable to change color automatically according to the video or image display on the screen. Furthermore, you get 2 different display modes under this feature. My best choice is the part option, as it can mimic exactly what is on the screen in terms of color. This is perfect when you play games or enjoy watching movies. Well, you can adjust the saturation level in the app if you want. The next one is the color option. With this, you can fully customize the light strip into 15 different parts. You can try different color combination with solid color option or with gradient enabled. Furthermore, you can apply warm white or cold white features if you wish. Then using the color wheel, you can pick the colors you want and save them for future use. Within the scene option, you get 12 dynamic scenes available to try within the smart app. You get sunrise or sunset effect, rainbow or movie effect in the list. However, my favorite is the candlelight effect. Let's quickly see some of those effects demos. The last one is the DIY option, as it will allow you to create your own lighting effect and share it with the other GOVEE app users. And last, you can completely control this TV backlight using the Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. In my case, I manage to sync with my Alexa easily just following the on-screen instructions. You can turn on or off the light or even can change the colors by voice commands. Alexa, turn on TV light.
Okay.
Alexa, change TV light to green.
Okay.
Alexa, change TV light to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, change TV light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off TV light.
Okay.
So this is pretty much all the features this Immersion TV backlight has to offer. Comparing the price tag and the specification you get with this light strip, I think this is one of the best TV backlight you can have. Like most other brands, this one doesn't require any sort of different smart hub unit to connect, and it is pretty much easy to install on your own. If you consider adding some extra vibes to your gaming setup or living room, then this one is worth to try. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this Immersion TV backlight in the comment section below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribe to see more videos like this. We'll see you again with another one, and stay safe.